It's the actual first DLC that I've had to kind of cheese by like getting phantoms, even though it's not really a cheese. Like, bit of extra help helps. Eden, welcome, man. Hope you're having a good day. Really, you just completely miss. Like, cut the air behind it. Oh, sup, Fibro? Holy shit! That damage. Ah, sup, Steve? Hope you've had a good day, man. Is it here? I haven't been here. No, I haven't been here yet. What the heck's wrong with him? That's weird. It's good you're having a good day, Steve. Oh crap. That's how it's done. One more just for good luck. Don't drop. Nah, I'm not gonna drop. Kill him? Holy crap. Let him die. Old bell helm? Okay. Oh right. She's having a little spooky dream. Poor little thing. Drop the bass on the tunes. Okay. Maldron deserves to be cheesed, but that's the best part of fighting him. Hey Marabou. Hey Sembi Chat, how are you guys doing? Doing good, man. Hopefully you're having a good day. I'm having a good day. It's been good. I went back from Windows 10 to 8.1 because their latest Windows update seemed to like really freeze up OBS a lot. It made it so when I'd use OBS, your Dragon Ring broke. Yeah, it did. Various Gaming, welcome, man. Hopefully you're having a good day. But Mikolash deserved to be cheesed. Mikolash? I have no idea. A black door. Is this the one? And I guess by lighting the things, thy door shall open. It's good that you don't have to like be careful which you know, which combination you open it. Feel free. Alright, Bloodborne Mikolash. Can't remember which. Oh, I didn't cheese Mikolash. I killed him properly. Oh no, not these. Really? Oh man. That damage, holy crap. I don't want to die because I can't remember my way back in here, which would kind of suck big time if I did die. Get that gen cranking again, and one more. Why do these guys have to be in this game? They're so annoying. Okay. Jabba, where are you? What? Oh, secret room hype. Bonfire, please, maybe? I have no idea. If it's not a bonfire, then that's gonna suck. Oh, an item. It's not bad then. Bone Fist. At least there's no water here like it was in Sinner's Rise. Liquid water, that is. Yeah. Wait, bonfire now? No. Have I got Destiny for PS4 yet? No. I get my Destiny The Taken King Legendary Edition copy on the 15th. It's the hard disk. For some reason my PlayStation Store doesn't like me at all. Oh, okay. I don't think I should have dropped down. Another one? Holy crap. But yes, on the 15th I get my Destiny The Taken King Legendary Edition. Do you still eat water in Oz? Indeed you do. Oh dear. Do you still drink water in the UK? But at least with Destiny I'll be able to play with everyone who's keen to play it. With salad cream? Yes. Do you eat frozen salad cream in summer? Does The Taken King get released on the 15th? Yes, the 15th of September. And then 3 days after that, the raid is released. And then a month after that, the hard mode for the raid will be released. Yeah, gotta get that raid hype. Apparently the raid for The Taken King, I can't remember what it's called, the King's Archive or something like that. I'm probably way off on the name. But Mezza loved the salad cream. It is 3 times the size of Vaulted Glass. Apparently it has 69 bosses in it, which is going to be pretty epic. Wow, so didn't want to die then. Garrison Ward Key, holy crap. Does anyone know if The Taken King hype? Nice stuff, puppy. Yeah, the thing is though, I will be streaming Destiny, leveling characters to 40, because the deal with The Taken King, from what I've been reading, is that there's no more light levels from gear. Levels are non-gear related now. It's strictly XP. Does anyone know if you can preload The Taken King? Preload? I have no idea about preload, but if you pre-order digital version, but haven't seen anything yet. Yeah, The Taken King is The Taken King DLC. Yes, it's the Comet for the game. It's the midway expansion. Every Destiny game will have 2 DLCs, then the Comet, and then 2 more DLCs, and then it'll be Destiny 2. And the same thing will happen with Destiny 2. It'll be 2 DLCs, then the Comet, and then two more DLCs after that. So on and so on until there's it's like a proper RPG now with that system. Indeed it is, Taint Hades. They have fully reworked the whole game pretty much. There is double the content in Destiny The Taken King, or double if not triple than what there is in current Destiny now with House of Wolves. Hopefully the story gets explained a lot better. It will be explained a hell of a lot better. That's one of the main things they've worked on. There's more than one Destiny. Oh my fucking god, I don't get it at all. No. There's Destiny and DLCs. DLCs are not expansions. They are downloadable content for the game. Expansion is The Taken King. That's the actual proper expansion. Now I should stop talking so much and get back to the bonfire. Yeah, Nolan North hype, indeed. Rip Peter Dinklage. But yes, there will be a 6-man raid in the Taken King. They're not doing 3-man Rip Dinklebot R2N2. Damn. Well said, man. Well said. Okay, I have the key. Now, where do I go? Oh dear. I'm just gonna change this beat. Yeah, nah. Sorry, Lost Years. Oh yeah. No. Yeah. That's one evil ass mask. Back to the abandoned dwelling. Okay. Get wrecked, Dinklebot. I really enjoy Peter Dinklage's voice. It's really good. Taken King theme PS4 looks so sweet. It does, doesn't it? Last boss hype. Probably not yet, Gray. It's not that easy. I know you really want me to see me. I know you really want to see me play another game, but I don't know, man. Yeah. So what's his name? Nolan North. Isn't he the voice of what's his name? Oh, I can't remember from the game. Uncharted, wasn't it? There's one more area after this. There's only a mini boss. I assume you haven't been there since the bonfire, for it isn't lit. Okay. Alright. No worries. Cheers for the heads up. Nathan Drake, yes. No, Peter Dinklage's voice is great, but it's just funny to know that he was the voice actor. I know. But he can't do voice acting for shit apparently. Really? I didn't know that. I thought he did a decent job. I was kind of down a bit when I heard that. But then I realised it was Nathan Drake and I was like, yeah, not bad. Because in the new one, Uncharted, that game looks pretty sick. Fairly Odd Parents OP. Brings up Peter Dinklage. All of this is Dinkleberg. What the hell is that? I've never seen that. Really? Oh, okay. Have you not heard his performance in The Taken King? He sounds super bored reading all of his dialogue. Really? Oh man. Well, that sucks. Yeah, Destiny. Uncharted 4 Game of the Year 2016. Yeah, it depends on what else comes out, dude. You know, there could be some other massive game coming out in 2016. I personally think that if Uncharted 4 comes out in 2016 and either Final Fantasy 7 Remake or Final Fantasy 15 comes out then, I think they'll get Game of the Year. Either one of the two. Because pretty much all of the Final Fantasy people who really did play and enjoy number 7, they're all going to melt over the game. I can guarantee you. That game should definitely get Game of the Year. If it doesn't, then that's pretty messed up. Because Final Fantasy 7 paved the way pretty much for every game that is kind of like RPG-ish that you see now, in my opinion. Like everyone that I've spoken to who have played video games have played Final Fantasy 7. Like, if not, they've played 8 or 9 or some sort of Final Fantasy game. Yeah, but you gotta look at it this way, Gray. You're young. When we were young, we had Final Fantasy. When you're young, you've got these games today to play, you know? There's a really big difference there. And of course you're gonna think it's shit. It's outdated graphics.